Hello everyone. Today we will start with our new topic, that is importance of management. In this topic we will learn about why we need to do management, where it will work upon, and why we require to do business with the help of management. It all covers the various aspects. Let's discuss from very first aspect, that is achieving group goals. This is the very major importance of management, that whenever you do to manage any work or people or operation, you don't belong to only one person. You have to do for a group of persons, or like I must say that you deal with the multiple person, multiple departments. You have to build a team, you have to achieve a targets. It all belongs to group activity. It's not a single activity. Let's read this. Management helps in achieving group goals. Manager gives common direction to the individual effort in achieving the overall goal of the organization. As well as with the help of group activities, management and its team also able to recover the organizational objective for the firm. Next is our increases efficiency. Yeah, we discussed about in definition of management that what is management is all about. Management is a process of doing any work or activity with effectiveness and efficiency. Okay, let's see why it is told that increases efficiency. While doing any business or planning or something you are going to manage, then you have to put efforts. You are doing planning and then organize your whole efforts as well as whole direction also. Thereafter, whenever you plan and organize that structure, then you focus what are lacking in your system as well as what are doing good. On behalf of the efficiency part, we will check out that our plans are achieved on time, our resources are utilized, as well as we are doing the best production, we are giving a best profit maximization, etc. Here, management increases efficiency by using resources in the best possible manner to reduce cost and increase productivity. As I said, it will reduce cost and increase our productivity. Next, creates dynamic organization. How dynamic organization is possible? How management can be a dynamic organization? Dynamic means simply a changing environment. As we know that whatever we plan or whatever we manage is not fixed. In the company, all things can be changed simultaneously. Sometimes new technology can come, sometimes new government rules and regulations or policies will affect your business. Then manager or management team have to decide what plan or what changes required at the current situation. If there is any change in tax rate, then you have to do something like tax rate. If then any change in technology, then management have to think about what technology we have to adopt, what plan we have to adapt. So management is also a dynamic organization. Next is achieving personal objectives. While doing managing a things, we need to check that organization's objectives are related with the personal objectives or not. As well as while doing management, we have to check whether any personal employee is motivated, directed, doing his or her work properly in efficient and effective manner or not. As well as if any employee feels down or demotivated, then we have to motivate him for achieving his goals as well as our organizational goals. That's why management also helps in achieving personal objectives. Okay, then next is development of society. What does that mean, development of society? While doing a proper management, proper production, goods and resources, I am utilizing the proper resources, I am using best kind of products, I am producing best production, best goods, as well as I am doing the cost effective resources, I am doing eco-friendly things, I will provide labor, workers, employment. These all are stuff about the companies. Whenever any company works in the organization or whenever any company works in any society, they need to build their relations with the customers, societies, as well as their vendors, clients, raw material suppliers, and many more the further people arranged in this chain. This all belongs to development of society. As well as if you need to better management, you have to produce a good quality of products, so that it also proves that your product is always improved by improved. For example, we can take development of societies like any product which can be produced in right now in your area is to be settled only when their customers are agree with your production. Like for an example, let's take a practical example, Jio, Reliance Jio. When Reliance Jio came, it took hardly 1 or 2 years to become at the top. How? How is it possible for them? It is very simple. They are using the best quality of network connectivity as well as calling facilities as well as free calls and all services, so that they attract customers and they won't get the network low at the lower strength. They always get that network will be corrected by all the users. That's why Jio gathered all the market and it developed the society, as well as it gives new opportunities, new placements, new jobs, new product services, new network services, new calling services. It will give competition to other competitors also. So they all are connected with your society objective. That's what development of society. Let's read that. Management helps in development of society by producing good quality products, creating employment opportunities and adopting new technology, as we discussed. So let's revise the all importance of management. First was achieving group goals. In this what we said that achieving group goals is to achieve goals of organization in a group and do a work in a team organization. Okay. Next was increases efficiency. How would you increase efficiency? By producing a good products, producing and utilizing the resources, minimizes the cost as well as increase your productivity. Next was creates dynamic organization. In the changing organization, you need to adopt changing policies as per the situation or environment. What was the next? Achieving personal objectives. In personal objectives, we have to motivate the employees, we have to leader or direct our employees so that they can achieve their personal objectives as well as organizational objectives. And last but not least, development of society. What does that mean, development of society? I told about that in case of society, we need to do good production, good relation with customers, good relation with the vendors, new productivity, new environment, competitor environment, etc. Okay, thank you.